Hello everyone, we are from Group Sandwich. First of all, let us introduce ourselves. My name is Syahla Perdina Jamil.
Hello, my name is Anissa Nur Amalia.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Syakayanato.
Before we start our presentation, first I want to explain what is Kotakode. For this time, Kotakode is a tech ecosystem that consists of forum, blogging, and job hiring which is under development. Kotakode is suitable for programmers because they can change their insight for their coding, then it can help recruiters to find qualified tech talents. And also, Kotakode provide high-quality learning resources that are language barrier-free. Based on case study, there are 3 problems that we have to solve, namely, first, limited access to programming knowledge in Indonesia. Second, difficulties in sourcing for qualified tech talents in Indonesia. And third, lack of focus on freelancing scene in Indonesia.
In addition to the new feature that we have to develop, we also modified some of the existing page design interface in Kotakode. These pages are landing page before login and home page after login. Other than that, for the freelancing platform, we added in the product menu sections called freelancing platform. There are 3 sub-menus, namely project, my project, and big project. We can also filter the category, level, price of the project according to our desires. And also, we can sort the project. Each project, we can see detailed information and immediately make a bid which will then go directly to the bid project sub-menu. Moreover, for my project sub-menu, we can see ongoing and complete project equipped with download file button as well as writing from the recruiter.
For this time, Kotakode is a tech ecosystem that consists forum, blogging, and job hiring which is now under development. The aim of building relations, expand their knowledge, even helping us in building our career. At this time, Kotakode having a problem in finding human resource which has potential. Finally, Kotakode designed a new system to simplify the existing recruitment process by bringing the recruiters and programmers together. This feature is called freelancing platform. With this feature, its hope can help the Indonesian economic growth.